Well, hello, folks. It's your girl, Yan Nefties from Witchy Mama Realness, and today I'm bringing you a short video with a gift. Yes, a gift. I come bearing gifts because I know this retrograde energy has you going through a lot right now. But we're going to calm down. We're going to get right, and we're going to get good with some herbs. And I just want to show y'all a little quick herb haul that I got from the Columbian exchange. And this company is dope as fuck. I've been following the owner, Hood Mystic, and his wife, Mama Mystic, for a while now. Probably since I started my spiritual journey, to be honest, back in 2018. But I recently decided to buy some things from their shop. And I'm really excited about it because the Hood Mystic has been putting out information for a really long time. His information has been very accurate. It has helped me a lot, and I feel like he slept on. So you know what? This video is just to shed some light on a Black-owned spiritual business right quick. So I'm just going to go through the herbs real quick, show y'all what I got, and at the end, I have a present, so stay tuned. So real quick, we just want to go down the line. Bloop. We have some wormwood right here, and this is a really good protection herb. It's good for love. It's good for divination, spirit communication. I should also say, before we get into these herbs real quick, be careful out here. Research your herbs before you do stuff with it, and charge your herbs with an intention. Talk to them, pray over them, and let them know what you want them to do. Herbs are so useful for health. Like, you don't even got to be a witch to use herbs. To be quite honest, like, you really don't. But anyways, I digress. We got some wormwood. We also have some chamomile. That's really good for calming, for sleep, for help with anxiety. My research showed that it was also good for prosperity magic too. So throw you some of that in there on your next little prosperity workings. We got some rose petals. You already know. Divine feminine, Venus energy, love energy, calming energy. Put that shit in your spliff the next time you smoke with some lavender, and that's the next herb, lavender. Rose petals and lavender with your weed next time you smoke, you feeling nice. Do that before you go to bed, sleep nice. Do it before you wake up in the morning, actually. When you wake up in the morning, start your day off beautifully. I'm telling you, try it. Next, we have some elderberries, and elderberries are very good for warding off sickness. I've seen a lot of people deal with elderberries, taking elderberry vitamins and elderberry syrup when all this COVID stuff came around. So check that out. This is honestly my first time even owning it. I've never used these before. So stay tuned to see how that plays out. I just want to show y'all this packaging right quick because they are so cute. And it says Alter Creations. It's so cute. And what do we have next, Mama? Red raspberry leaf. Great herb for the womb. Great herb for cramps. I drank that herb a lot. I drank red raspberry leaf tea a lot when I was pregnant. It helps tone the uterus so that you can deal with cramps better. Did it help me deal with cramps better? Not cramps, contractions, and also cramps. You can drink it even if you're not pregnant. You don't have to be pregnant. It's just a great herb for the womb all around. I will put that in my self-love bath or something. I want to see what else I can do with this because that's what I've used it for so far. But possibilities are really endless with herbs. Next, we have mugwort. Mugwort, I like to use that for anything mental, anything Mercury related, anything where I'm writing, anything where I have to use my mind, anything where I'm speaking to people. I need a little bit of courage. I need a little bit of boost of that energy. I'm gonna go with some mugwort. Next, we have alfalfa leaf, and this is a really good herb for prosperity working. It's used to protect against poverty, to protect against hunger. I've never worked with this herb yet before. I also never worked with wormwood. Should I have disclosed that before I started the video? All the other things I have worked with, red raspberry, chamomile, rose, lavender. Never worked with alfalfa leaf yet though, so very interested to see what we do with that. Calendula. Specifically what I did with this, I put that shit in my yoni steam, yo. That shit's nice. Like, it just brings all those extra toxins out. You just be feeling good. You just be feeling clean. I have put this in my tea before as well. And for moms too, this is really good for after birth. It will help with that pain. This helped me a lot. I had to get an episiotomy. And doing the sitz bath, putting some calendula in it, helped a lot. Next, we have skullcat. Never worked with this herb yet, but I heard it's really good for putting it in your trees when you're smoking. And it's really good for anxiety. If you have trouble sleeping, it helps you relax and brings you peace. And then we have some myrrh. I never worked with the whole thing of myrrh before. And when I was doing my research, it was like, it's used with frankincense. It's used with frankincense. I don't have no frankincense right now. Like, should I get some? Like, does it have to be used with frankincense? Like, if you have used myrrh before, comment on this video and let me know how it worked out for you, or DM me, whichever works. But myrrh is very good for protection, healing, cleansing, and is burned during meditation. So that's what I'm finna use it for. And lastly, they had this little deal going on, 2 teas. So I got 2 of them. I think they were 2 for $8. And all of these little things were only $3. And I'm about to be like the real YouTube people. Ready? Well, I got small hands anyways, but yeah. It's basically the size of my hand. It's completely full. So this whole thing is filled to the brim with herbs. For $3, I mean, that's amazing. And I just love giving people my money, especially if we black. Take my dollars. Take it all. It's black, spiritual, useful. What? Have my money. Anyways, I promised y'all a gift at the end of this video. So the gift is a promo code. Woo! I know, I'm hyped. Just be hyped with me, because you know you hype anyways. 30% off. Yes, girl. Columbian Exchange. 30% off. Use my promo code NEBTHET. That's NEBTHET for 30% off your next purchase with the Columbian Exchange. I'm gonna link it down below. And let's see what else. Yeah, I'm very like, I want to go on the website and buy more shit already right now, and I haven't even opened up none of this stuff. Like, I'm just excited, yo. The Columbian Exchange, they got books, candles, cleaners, cleansing, smudging tools, dragon's blood, different kinds of sage. Yo, they have everything. It's a whole botanica. So yeah, that concludes this video. And hit them up. Use my code. Send it to your friends and let them know. Net put you on.